Hi students, how are you? I am fine and I hope you will be fine at your home. Dear students, in previous class we have completed one lesson. That means the first lesson was the green plants. Yes, dear students, and I think you have completed your homeworks. That means A, B, C, D, MCQs, true, false, and answer the following questions. Now, dear students, we are going to start today a new lesson. Our second lesson. The name of the lesson is adaptation in plants. Dear students, adaptation. What do you mean by adaptation? Adaptation means to live with their habitats by the living beings. The process by which a living beings live naturally, that is called adaptation. Okay, dear friends, that means the different parts where different kinds of plants, because in this chapter we shall read adaptation in plants. So we shall read how plants adapt themselves, how plants are growing different parts of the earth surface in water bodies. Yes, students. Now, first we have to know about this lesson. What are we going to start? At first, terrestrial plants. We will read the first topic is terrestrial plants. What do you mean by terrestrial? Terrestrial means the living things that live on the land surface, earth surface. That means live on land. In this chapter we shall read about the plants. So terrestrial means the plants which grow on land. Okay, dear students. After that, second is aquatic plants. You know very well aqua. Aqua means water, related to water. That means the plants which grow in or on water. Okay, dear students. After that, some unusual plants. In previous lesson, we have read about the unusual plants. Some plants grow in different ways. Some plants are unusual to another plants. That means that are not matched to these plants. After that, plants of the grass family. Yes, some plants are found, you know very well, in previous classes. That means 2-3 class. You have read the plants are divided into different categories. That means tree, shrub, herb, creeper, climbers. So we shall read the kinds of plants that are found in grass family. Okay, dear students, now we are going to start our topic. Our first topic is terrestrial plants. Our first topic is terrestrial plants. TERRES TRIAL, terrestrial. TERRES TRIAL, terrestrial plants. We know very well terrestrial means the plants which grow on land. The plants which grow on land are called terrestrial plants. The plants that grow on land. Okay, dear friends. Now, you know very well plants are found everywhere. Up on the earth surface, in water, mountains, in hilly areas, plateaus. That means under the oceans, under the sea, over the ponds. That means plants are found everywhere. Okay. So it is divided into two categories. You know very well, land surface and water body. Our earth is already divided into two categories, two parts. That means land surface and water bodies. At first, we shall read about the plants that grow on land. Dear students, in your surroundings, on the land surface, you can see the different kinds of plants found in your surroundings, like mango, like guava, like banana, and many more. Your vegetables, that means cauliflowers, brinjal, cabbage, etc. So, and you know very well, plants grow according to climate. Yes, dear student. Plants grow according to climate, according to region, according to soil, according to their surroundings. You know, the mango fruits, that means mango trees are found in our locality, but why do not we found the apple tree, our surroundings? Because mango trees are grown on hilly areas. Okay, dear student, we grow the crops like wheat, rice, sugarcane here in different seasons. Okay, dear students, but in desert area they cannot grow this type of crops. So, dear student, plants need their supportive climate, their habitat. Habitat means habitat means the natural home of home of living things. Are called habitat. 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 Dear student, it is necessary to know about the natural home. What do you mean by natural home? That means nature give the support to survive themselves or about the living things. In this chapter we shall read about the plants. So the natural home of plants. The natural home of plants, that means the nature give the support of life, that is called natural home. So, dear student, plants need habitat, that means natural home, support to by the climate that grow. Okay, dear students, and one thing more, plants change their nature by the period of times. It takes thousands and million years to change their survivals. They adapt themselves to their habitats. Adapt means to match themselves from their surroundings. अपने surroundings के चारों ओर अपने आप को ढाल लेना, क्लाइमेट के हिसाब से, सीजन के हिसाब से और सॉइल के हिसाब से, इन्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से अपने आप को ढाल लेता है. इसके लिए यह 2-4 दिन में नहीं हो जाता. दैट टेक्स अ पीरियड ऑफ टाइम. इट टेक्स thousands or million years to adapt themselves. Okay, dear students, after that we shall read about the adaptation. Can I read it? Yes, thank you. Have you not? Very good. Now, dear students, we are going to start the adaptation. 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 Okay, dear students, what do you mean by adaptations? The process by which plants adjust themselves adapt themselves to suit their surroundings. So their habitat, we know already the habitat. Okay, dear students, terrestrial plants means the plants that grow on land. Dear students, you have to note it in your notebooks because it is very necessary. We have to know about the adaptation, about the habitats. Okay, dear students, I think you have noted. After that, the terrestrial plants. Terrestrial plants. Terrestrial means the terrestrial plants means the plants, the plant that grow on land called terrestrial plant. Okay, dear friends. Now we are going to explain the terrestrial plants. Okay, dear friends. At first, we have to know the land feature of our country. At first, our country, it is not, that means landforms are different in different places. You know very well the plain, mountains, desert, hilly areas, marshy areas. So according to the land features, terrestrial plants grow themselves according to their landforms. At first, we will read about the plants grow on plain. Yes, dear friends, you know very well the plains. Okay, dear friends. Now we are going to read about the plants grow on land. The plants grow on land. Dear friends, tomorrow we will read about the plants that grow on land. Dear friends, I think you have noted the points and your homework, your few homeworks are there. At first you have to explain the habitat, adaptation, terrestrial plant, aquatic plant, and the points of these lessons you have to note down in your notebook and explain yourself. Thank you. We will meet again next class.